Joe.
Yeah.
The fire alarm.
It makes noise.
Did mommy make it go off? I know. Mommy made the fire alarm go off. Joe, look at mommy. Say cheese. Say cheese. Evacuate.
Why'd you put that on?
Couldn't get out of Berlin.
What happened?
Railroad, the MTA, nothing was moving. So it's a very different story than it was 2 weeks ago. So we didn't really have to go back and forth a lot. We knew the changes on those roads.
Whoa. Smoke inhalation.
What happened?
This? Again?
No.
Ooh. Say cheese. I'm not doing it.
Joe, come here. Whoa.
Why'd you give him the remote?
I didn't, but that's what makes him say cheese.
Give my remote. Give me my remote. Come here.
He's going to the bear.
Give me my remote. Mine. This is what happens when he don't get the remote.
Try and hug him.
Give me hugs.
Come on, me, Joe. Matthew, why are you going crazy? Stop. Calm down. Joe. Jojo, you want the remote? Tell Daddy. Say, give me. Daddy, I like it. He doesn't like the batteries out either.
You know what? Anybody can die for no reason.
Joe. Say cheese.
As a teenager in the late 1940s, Frank
Yeah,
left
you
home
are
and
in.
headed up north to New York City.
Say cheese.
By his own account,
cheese.
Lucas met the infamous gangster Ellsworth Bumpy Johnson.
Hurry. Cheese.
Bumpy was the Italian mob's man in Harlem, selling drugs and
Cheese.
running a numbers racket.
Joe.
Hey, you're being mean, Joe. Say cheese. Let him go, let him go.
What if he runs?
La Cosa Nostra, they're all and it wasn't a very good idea to be on the street. To Lucas, Bumpy
Take him
became
into
a
Johnny.
mentor.
I'm recording you.
My godfather was a cold-blooded gangster. The best ever, the best ever. Bumpy gave Frank access to the flatheads.
But Matthew, stop being crazy.
Frank not only learned how Bumpy did business in Harlem, but how the Italians ran the mob all over town. The big moment came for Frank in July of 1968 when Bumpy died of a heart attack.
How much did you eat?
When Bumpy was dying, he was given the choice of taking over the numbers.
Mommy, are you still recording me?
Eat half of it, and then you could be done. Half of that. Joe, say cheese. I love him.